Hey everyone, this is Chris Cook. I'm the Northeast Regional Sales Manager with Forest River Wildcat. Today we want to show you the all-new mid-bunk, the 368 MB. So come on, let's take a look. So for 2021, one of the things we wanted to show you first is the all-new sleek modern Decor. We offer a 50-inch TV, sound bar, fireplace, and then behind the TV, we have additional storage. So in addition to the storage behind the TV, we also have additional storage here as well. Okay, so in the kitchen, we have a black stainless sink with your pull-down faucet here. Lots of storage. Of course, you got your microwave, your stove with your storage underneath. You got a 10.7 cubic foot refrigerator. So right across from the kitchen, we have the freestanding table and chairs with the leaflet. And there's also an option for a booth. So now for the key feature of the mid-bunk is the actual mid-bunk room. So let's step in here and take a look. So inside the mid-bunk room, we have a jackknife sofa, as well as flip down bunk here. Then we also have a ton of storage in here as well. So one of the coolest features about the mid-bunk is above the bunk room, we have a loft. Now typically with a loft area, you have a ladder. What we've actually done is we've incorporated a staircase. So it actually gives someone like me who's 6'1", about 230 pounds, I actually have an opportunity where I can actually climb up the stairs and fit in. So right next to our bunk loft, you actually have your control panel. So we have our tank heaters, you also have your LCI One control. With your One control, you actually have an app, so you can control it from here or the app on your phone. So you have all of your lights, your slide outs, your awnings, everything's controlled from right here. So to go along with the modern sleek decor design, in the bathroom, we actually have an extra large shower, coat hangers. You also have a large storage compartment. So now we're in the bedroom. I want to show you we have a 66 by 80 king bed with a nice headboard with the LED lights behind it. You also have your control panel over here for your second AC. So all Wildcats come with a 15,000 BTU fully ducted AC with a second AC in the bedroom as well with quick dump. So we also have a lot of storage in the bedroom. So you have a large dresser area, you know, with big cabinets here with shelving. Plus you have already mounted for a TV with your cable satellite hookups and outlet. And then you have your non-slam drawers as well. So moving to the outside of the unit, we actually have a 30-inch extra wide entry door, as well as the 30-inch extra wide steps. Now, one thing we do offer with Wildcat standard is we do have 4 steps instead of 3. So that actually provides extra comfort when you're trying to, go down the steps or even just taking that initial first step going up. So with the mid-bunks, you actually have 2 awnings, as well as outside TV prep with the outside speakers here. And then moving right next door here, you have your outside kitchen, with a griddle top, as well as a 3.2 cubic foot refrigerator with a ton of storage in here, which is a lot larger than most outside kitchens, plus you have your storage up top. So moving to the back of the unit, we actually have a 2-inch receiver hitch, as well as an extra long ladder, as well as backup camera prep. We also have side camera prep as well. So on your off-door side, you actually have your water heater and furnace ventilation for added safety. And then right next to here, in your pass-through storage, you actually have your universal docking station. Then you have 2 30-pound propane tanks, 1 on each side, as well as solar prep. And then you have your auto leveling access here as well as with the LCI One control that's actually inside and on your app. You actually have this as well. So it comes standard with a 4-point auto leveling. So standard on all Wildcats is the front cap design that's actually designed to be more aerodynamic, as well as it offers an extended turn radius. And then also on the roof line, it's actually a radius roof line, so it won't collect water. The water will just run right off. So thanks for taking a look at the all-new 368 MB Wildcat. For more information, visit our website at forestriverinc.com/wildcat.